Alright, long division. Those are two words that scare a lot of people. But long division really isn't that hard, as long as you know the steps behind it. So we're going to start with a simple division. Let's see, I'm going to go with 130, no, not 30, 126 divided by 3. Let's see what that equals. So, a division, you always start with a little bit of a table. And this is where some people start to lose track. The first number goes inside the box, 126. The second number goes outside the box. A lot of people lose track there, so practice, practice, practice that. Alright, now we want to figure out how many times does 3 go into 126. Well, we can count it by 3 until we get to 126, but that's not the easy way. Let's look at this one number at a time. Can 3 go into 1? No, 3 is too small, or 3 is too big, 1 is too small. So 3 cannot go into 1. I'm going to stick a 0 there because 3 goes into 1 0 times. However, 3 can go into 12. If I know my 3's, I know we go 3, 6, 9, 12. That is the 1, 2, 3, fourth number down. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Now I want to see how much is left right there. Well, 12 minus 12 is 0, so that was a good number. Now I bring down the 6. Now I want to know how many times does 3 go into 6. Well, 6 is the 1, 2. That's the second number down. Goes in twice. 2 times 3 is 6. I have 0 left, no more numbers left. 42 is my answer. Not too hard, but people seem to get stuck on this a bit, so it's okay. Let's try a slightly harder one. Dividing by 3, 3 is easy. Well, at least it's easier than the next one we're going to do. So let's see. Next one we're going to do, how about 273 divided by 13. That one's a bit trickier. Same setup though, don't mess your setup up. You start with the little table. First number, that's right, on the inside. Second number on the outside. Now, I don't have my 13s memorized. I don't know many people who do. Here's what I would suggest if you're dividing by a number that's a little tricky like 13. Count up by 13s and make yourself a list somewhere. So 13. I lost track of what we're talking about. Oh yeah, we're talking about counting up by 13. So 13, 26, plus 13, 39, plus 13 is 52, plus 13 is 65. That's probably high enough, but let's go a couple more. Plus 13 is 78. Did I do something wrong? No. Alrighty. Plus 13 is 81, 91. See, I'm doing this in my head, so I'm making sure I get it right. Alright, so here's some 13s, probably good enough. So, is 13 able to go into 2? No. That's an easy one. However, can 13 go into 27? Well, closest we get without going over is 26. That is the second one. So 2 times 13 is 26. We have 1 left over. Bring down the 3. Now how many times does 13 go into 13? Well, that's the same thing, so it goes in once. 1 times 13 is 13. We subtract, no remainder. There is your answer, 21. Alright, not really hard. Now this one was not a decimal answer. I'll get to those when we talk about the decimal videos. So this is just your standard long division where everything fits nicely. I hope this helps with your long division skills.